In this video we're going to take a look at T2 Biosystems. Among the many stocks that promise potential riches, one that has recently caught the attention of investors is T2 Biosystems. With a penny stock like this gaining traction, it's important to delve into the details and assess its potential. Before we start today's video, if you like to see more stock analysis videos, please consider to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. T2 Biosystems, a biotechnology company, has recently been the talk of the town, with speculations of potential gains that could turn investors into millionaires. However, it's important to sift through the hype and break down the key factors that have contributed to its recent surge. The pre-market performance has been impressive, with millions of trading volume pouring in within the first few minutes of pre-market opening. The stop losses do not function effectively during pre-market or after-hours trading, potentially leading to short sellers unable to cover their positions due to being asleep at the wheel. The stock's volume has recently reached an impressive 330 million, with eyes fixed firmly on it. The video suggests that after-hours trading is anticipated to be even more intense. The narrator's personal experience and confident predictions point toward T2 Biosystems' potential to continue its upward momentum. One of the major catalysts mentioned is an upcoming conference scheduled and advertised for on the company website. This event could provide vital insights into the company's future prospects. Additionally, there's buzz around the possibility of FDA approval, with mid-August as a crucial timeframe. Such approval could send the stock soaring to unprecedented heights. T2 Biosystems has certainly attracted attention within the market, with over 50,000 watchers on StockTwits, and remains one of its most searched for stocks. This momentum is reinforced by its ranking as one of the most active and popular stocks on platforms like StockTwits and Webull. Sepsis detection is at the heart of T2 Biosystems' mission. Sepsis, a life-threatening condition triggered by infection, is a major concern for healthcare systems, causing significant fatalities and incurring substantial costs. T2 Biosystems' T2 Biothreat Panel could revolutionize sepsis testing. Unlike traditional methods that take days, this panel offers results within hours, making it a game-changer in critical situations. While there is undeniable potential, it's important to keep a few factors in mind. T2 Biosystems is in a critical position, needing to maintain a stock price above $1 organically to remain compliant with Nasdaq standards. This could influence the company's approach to funding and growth. On the financial front, T2 Biosystems has faced challenges, losing millions each quarter and struggling with funding. The mentioned $77 million FDA approval grant could provide a much-needed boost. The stock's future trajectory also hinges on its ability to capitalize on upcoming catalysts and maintain market momentum. There are also external forces to consider when it comes to predicting the future outlook of a stock like T2 Biosystems. The demand for small-cap penny stocks like T2 Biosystems can be significantly impacted by a combination of rising interest rates, growing uncertainty, and the looming possibility of a recession. These factors can create a complex landscape for investors, influencing their decisions regarding risk tolerance, investment strategies, and the overall demand for such stocks. Firstly, rising interest rates have a direct effect on investment decisions. When interest rates increase, traditional fixed-income investments like bonds become more attractive due to higher yields and reduced risk compared to volatile penny stocks. Investors may opt for safer assets, diverting their funds away from speculative stocks like T2 Biosystems. This shift in preference can lead to a decrease in demand for these small-cap stocks, putting downward pressure on their prices. Then, the growing uncertainty within the market can significantly impact investor sentiment. Uncertain economic conditions and geopolitical tensions often drive investors toward more stable and established stocks. The high volatility associated with small-cap penny stocks like T2 Biosystems can become less appealing when uncertainty reigns, as investors prioritize capital preservation over potentially high returns. As a result, the demand for such speculative stocks may wane, causing their prices to experience downward pressure. The possibility of a looming recession amplifies these concerns. During economic downturns, investors tend to adopt a defensive approach, seeking safe haven assets and more established companies. The risk associated with penny stocks becomes particularly unappealing during periods of economic contraction. Investors may prioritize liquidity and stability, leading to reduced demand for speculative stocks like T2 Biosystems. Consequently, these stocks can face challenges in maintaining or attracting new investment, leading to potential price declines. In such a scenario, T2 Biosystems' unique situation as a small-cap penny stock could magnify the impact. These stocks often lack the financial stability and diversified revenue streams of larger companies, making them more susceptible to economic headwinds. Additionally, the company's ongoing funding challenges and the requirement to meet NASDAQ compliance standards by maintaining a certain stock price further compound the risks associated with investing in T2 Biosystems. In conclusion, T2 Biosystems has emerged as a prominent player with substantial potential. However, investors should exercise caution and critically evaluate the stock's underlying fundamentals. The promised catalysts, such as FDA approval and the upcoming conference, could propel the stock to new heights. Still, it's essential to consider the company's financial stability and its ability to maintain compliance with NASDAQ standards. Given the current market conditions, I believe that T2 Biosystem is trying to reach higher levels, but the current price action might have risen too fast to be sustainable. With that being said, it is still possible to be the beginning of a massive bullish push. This is why I believe that it would be smart to have a small position now, and to hold it over the next few weeks.